Good morning, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on June 9th, 2015. Let me start off by saying I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. Okay, so we're going to go over yesterday's markets. We're going to start off with the OTCs for June 8th, 2015. First ticker symbol we're going to go over is ticker symbol FORC, Force Minerals Corp. Okay, this is a Bitcoin stock that we've seen in the past rally. Okay, it kind of broke down and they gave that probability entry from 0009 to 11. We like that entry for a low risk, high reward setup. This stock was given in a box pattern at an entry price right here in this box pattern. Never broke below it. Okay, we did test that 0009 but never closed below it. That was our stop. Yesterday we had a nice little rally. It started off with high volume at 10, 11, and 12, and before you know it, we hit a high of 0.002, closing at 19, which was a beautiful close, closing above that 18 level, that pivot break. We actually broke it. Today we're looking for a confirmation above it. If we can't close above that confirmation, what I think that we're going to do is we're going to probably test this level here. This was the high of 0.0036. That will be the next target and test. Okay, what we're looking for today is a continued confirmation close above that 0.0018. If we do get it, we could see a little bit of a bullish flag pattern setup. I do think this is a low share structure stock with the trend of Bitcoin. We're talking about a new ETF and an IPO. The markets are now considering Bitcoin as a type of currency. So this is something that we will be looking for another big move or a continued move. Okay, if you look at the accumulation distribution, it's very high. We had a high volume day yesterday. Okay, it's just over 31 million shares traded. So look for Forc to see a continued move. Any pullback down here, I think any pullback down to this this kiss of this 0.001516 level will be a good opportunity for re-entry. If you're getting in 15, 16, just place your stop close below 15 on 2 consecutive closes. Okay, I think that'll be a good entry. Okay, if it kisses at 15, maybe a 13 entry, just depending on what the level 2 is showing. Okay, the next stock is Snxg. Okay, this is ticker symbol Snxg, Sunex Energy. Okay, we talked about this entry here from that 11 to 14, 15 range. We talked about this new low that it put in. It actually held this level. Stop close never closed below it. We saw a nice rally up to that 21 range, and we recently broke that 21 range, that pivot high of 21. We closed on Friday at 22, and then yesterday we saw a high of 26 with a low of 20. So we're seeing higher lows, we're seeing new highs, and we just closed above that that 8-day moving average here at 18 on 2 consecutive closes. So those are 2 consecutive closes above that 18 level. We closed at 22 and then we closed at 23 with a high of 26. So I'm looking for a continued move. Our next resistance, I think, if we break this 25 level, I think we'll test this 0.004 and potentially test this 0.01. Okay, just a nice potential here to that 0.01. This is a stock that has been beaten down, and now you're seeing some nice consolidation. And level 2 shows that there's not many shares on the ask. So any move here could bode well. If you see the stock is still in extremely oversold conditions, you want to see a re-entry, look for that 16, 18 kiss. If it goes down to 0.0016, 0.0018, maybe even 0.002, depending on that level 2 and that bid support, you can look to add shares there. Just place your stop close below 16 on 2 consecutive closes. So that's how you can kind of look at it and re-enter the stock. All right, for the next stock is Mnzo, ticker symbol Mnzo. Yesterday had news. Mnzo Pharmaceuticals announces exciting new product release as the company prepares for the full-scale human studies of the lacto-freedom products. This was a stock that we sent out a while back. This stock really never broke that 000911 levels, and yesterday we saw a nice high of this 0.002. I was looking for a break, but it's still holding a nice uptrend channel. So any pullback here down to this master support here at that 12 level could be a re-entry. So watch any pullback here. Just a nice little trend line. What we're looking for is a close above this 0.002 pivot. Okay, just a great trade for those traders that kind of stuck with it. Another stock that we sent out last week was Uamm. We noticed this return to the scene of the crime level. Okay, this test this 0008 level, tested 0008 level, gave that probability trade, and yesterday hit a high of 17 before closing at 16. Just a nice solid move. Held gains. Now what we're looking for is a close above that 17 on 2 consecutive closes. If we do manage to kind of start consolidating here, maybe we'll see a little bit of a consolidation in this range. Okay, you see a little bit of a pattern here. I would not be surprised for this to test that 25 to about 40 level. Okay, it's done it in the past. Back in April, we saw that big move from 0008 to 50. Okay, so you do have potential here. If you're looking to enter this stock, just watch that 0.001 if you get that 0.001 to 0.0013 level, and then stop close below 10. Okay, on 2 consecutive closes. Okay, the next stock is ticker symbol Mjmj. Okay, this was a stock that we sent out last week. It actually triggered, saw a low of 14, 16, and then we saw a high yesterday at 29. Now it's pulling back to 17. So watch that re-entry for a rinse and repeat. Okay, I would place my bids somewhere around 13, 14 for a kiss. If it does kiss that level, just keep your stop close below 15 on 2 consecutive closes. The next stop, the next support will be that 0.001 level. Okay, so just trade these accordingly. You had a 50% retrace at 36. Okay, 50% retrace at 36 is about 18. You're at that range now. You saw a little kiss of that level with that low of 14, 15. So any buy zone around here, just place your stop close below that 13 level on 2 consecutive closes, or 15, just depending on your threshold. Okay, the next stock is ticker symbol PTOP. Okay, PTOP has been just pretty much a ATM play. Every time it hits that 10 level, it bounces. The last major move we saw was 0.0031 on that 10 entry. So now watch for that pullback. If you want, just place your stop close below stop close below 10 2 times. Okay, next stock is another Bitcoin stock. I think this is a kind of mirror image of the stocks that we've been trading. You got a little bit of a rounded bottom here. You saw a low of 10 yesterday, closed at 12, high of 14. So you're seeing buyers here at 10. Okay, this is a probability trade that it kind of resembles what the PTOP is doing. Also, what the FORC is doing. This is a Bitcoin stock, and with Bitcoin catching the trend, I do feel that this stock has potential. Okay, so watch that 10 to 13 probability. You got a pivot break here at 19, which is that 21-day moving average. You break that, you don't have resistance till about 28.34. So I like the risk reward here. Okay, so keep an eye on Cctl for that bid support at 0.001, 0.0011. Okay, the next stock is ticker symbol Nrti. This actually triggered yesterday, hit a low of 0.0012, kissed that 0.002 level. Just a great trade. We talked about that 50% retrace level from that 24 level, which was 12, and it actually hit that 12 mark. So that was just a beautiful move. The stock is oversold. Just keep an eye on that level too. If it does pull back, just watch that higher low, maybe that 13, 15 buy zones if it pulls back, and then look for that stock to kind of break above that 24 level. Now moving on to the big boards. Taking a look at SPY, you did see this break of this trend line. Okay, it's testing that 208.50 level. Right now, it's currently trading pre-market 208.10 level. So what we're looking for is that 206.60 level. If it does get down to 206.760, I think it's going to give us a buying opportunity. It is a little bit risky. Just place your stop close below 207 on 2 consecutive closes. Next one is MRK. Okay, we're looking at this bullish flag pattern kind of hold. If it does hold, we're looking at this 58.80 level. Okay, keep that 58.80 as your stop. 2 consecutive stops. Closes below that stop level is a stop out. Walmart, okay, we did close below that 73 level one time. We're looking for that confirmation today. If we do close below that 73 on 2 consecutive closes, then we're going to stop out and we'll look at the stock at that 70 level. Okay, next stock is the USO. Right now, it's pre-market gap up right now at 20.04. You're into a little bit of resistance, but at the same time, it looks like it wants to kind of hold. Right, so watch that level. If it does close above 22 times, then we stop out. Okay, next one is UWTI. This gave an opportunity to actually enter lower than our entry point. Gave an entry as low as $3, and this stock now is rallying pre-market. So just keep an eye. This was in a little bit of an inside flat consolidation pattern. Now looks to break out. Now currently trading at $3.30 pre-market. Okay, so next stock is Nete. Okay, Nete actually triggered yesterday with a low of 56 for a re-entry, and now it's making that move. So watch that move and break above that 0.007, or I'm sorry, that 72 level. That 72 level is a key level to break. Okay, so that's about it. If you have any questions, just email us at radiosilentplay@gmail.com. You want to sign up, get the setups, just sign up to www.radiosilentplay.com. Take care, everyone.